stolen Porsche spotted on Boulder Road. Suspect is believed to be a known street racer and enjoys evading pursuit. Engaging interceptor unit. Proceed with caution. Roger that, 1073 approved. Roblox units deploying directly ahead of you.
I got him, going into the pin.
Weapon systems are inoperative. Use direct force.
Negative. Target is in the tunnel. This is Roadblock Patrol 1. We're on scene. Standing by. Over. I've made contact. He has sustained some damage. This is a real pursuit. Hit confirmed. Suspect immobilized.
Suspect vehicles have been stopped. Good job, officer. SCPD, Air Support Unit update. Enhanced detection technology can now track pursuit targets even when using tunnels. Time on station increased to support multiple spike strip drops.